Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today, we're going to have a look at two additions I'm going to make to this Buck 112 Ranger finger groove. If you'd like to watch my original review video, do check out the link in the card above or the description below. So, as mentioned, I really love this knife. I think it's a great classic folding knife. I EDC this in my home, so not much of an outdoor carry, but I treat this as kind of a collector's item, something I'm going to put on my desk, and sort of a conversation piece as well if people see it, although I do have a lot of knives lying around. But what are the two things I'm going to add to it? So I'm going to try out adding the thumb stud. So this is the quick thumb stud, which a lot of people do add to their Buck 110 or 112 knives. So you can buy this separately. I actually got this off Etsy, and I'm gonna share that link in the description below. And essentially what you get is very simple. You get this thumb stud, which you're going to screw on and attach to the back of the blade, and you get a tiny Allen key as well, all in one package. So let's just try to put this on. I'm gonna put it on this way, just about here. I'm really just gonna test this out to see if I like the look of it. Of course, I know it will work, and I'm also going to determine the position. So for now, I'm just going to take it where that vertical grind ends. So let's just shift it just a bit, just kind of centering it there. Yeah, just somewhat like that. And let's just hand tighten it. You don't want to overdo it as well. And that's it. We have installed the thumb stud just like that. And now you can open it with one hand with a slow roll. So some people do not like the look of the thumb stud. They think it breaks up the elegant lines of the knife itself, and I can totally understand that, but I also can see the functional value of having that. I'm just going to leave it there for now. As mentioned in my previous video, there is a way to open this one-handed, even though if you don't have the thumb stud, you can hold the blade like that and just flick it open. So if you do not want a thumb stud, that's one way to go. Although it's a bit dangerous, so please be careful. Alright, the second add-on that I'm going to put over here is this. So the original sheath that comes with the 112 Ranger is the buck leather sheath. Very good quality, well made, made in Mexico, belt loop, very thick leather, and it closes up like that. You put the knife inside, but it is a tad bulky. I mean, if you intend to wear this on your knife, on your belt, I mean, definitely I think this could work, very functional. But if not, it is quite big, and I don't see myself carrying this. But I still wanted to get some kind of a sheath or slip for this knife, and I found one on Etsy. This is by Hitch and Timber, and it arrived in the mail. And here we have inside this bag, let's see what else, I think some swag. Yeah, but we've got a Hitch and Timber, it is American made sticker. We've got the name card. I got this through Etsy, so I'll leave the link below as well, and you can check that out as you like. So this slip cost $20 US. All right, not inexpensive, not ridiculously expensive. I think fair enough. Handmade, good quality all around. I think works well. Designed for the Buck 112. So I'm fine with that. Although take note, you do have to pay for shipping. And if you're like me across the other side of the world, then shipping will be costly. But in any case, this is the slip I got. There is a hole for you to put a lanyard. And that's it. What you see is what you get, but good quality. Right, this is nice thick leather, and let's see if it fits inside and how it fits inside. Yeah, well, maybe I should go the other way. I wonder if the thumb stud gets in the way. So thumb stud might get in the way. Let's find out. Yeah, you can see the mark there. Not sure if I want to do that. So maybe I'll put it this way. You can see it really form fits. Okay, so that's something to think about. If you put the thumb stud, then if you use the slip, you aren't going to get, I think, that. I'm going to try again. Well, yeah, you could put it in. Okay, so you just angle it out just like that, and you don't get the thumb stud on. And then I guess you can just kind of form fit this over. I've heard also you can wet this and, I guess, form it over. I'm not a leather guy, but you guys can tell me in the comments below. But I'm sure if I leave this over time, I can see how that is going to form around the knife. Let's see how easy it is to take out. Of course, this is new. I know it's going to take a bit. Let's see if it's scratched. Yeah, it's kind of scratched. You can see the thumb stud did scratch or leave a mark on the leather on the inside. So that's something to think about. Do I want to put the thumb stud in if I want to use a slip like that? So I'll figure that out and I'll let you know in future. But those are the two items I've added on, that thumb stud and this slip for now. Probably I'll be taking out the thumb stud to use this so I don't damage this. But let me know what your thoughts are. Have you any additions to your own Buck 112 or 110? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.